Hi guys, I am back, ready to talk about these lashes, y'all, that I did a couple videos ago. And I wanted to give you an update. This is 3 days later. And I'm doing awesome with them. I wash my face like normal. I just don't get my eyes wet, obviously. But I wash my face like normal. I do everything that I normally do. I just don't wear makeup, so I mean that's that. But I curl them. They're still on. They haven't fell out. They still look new. I mean, I'm loving them. So I just wanted to give you guys an FYI. Stay tuned for that tutorial. So make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell so that you can get notifications on when the tutorial pops out. Yes, because I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I did this. I know that's right. Say that then, girl. Well, I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.